8 types of urine indicating our health. Since ancient times, the color of human urine has been a useful tool to diagnose different diseases, so any type of change in color, density or smell can be an indication that something is not well in our body. By means of urine, each day we expel hundreds of waste products that our body does not need and then come from the things we eat and drink. However, the urine can also serve to warn us of certain health problems or that something is not right. A hue can change and a bad odor may become evident, which we find very disagreeable. Many of us are not aware of what our urine can tell us about our health, and we ignore the changes in our urine that may be indicating possible illnesses. It is very important to know what can be happening in our body and take note of the warning signs by simply paying attention to any changes in our urine. Below we want to share with you 8 types of urine that is possible to have and that may be indicating something about the state of our health. Urine with a light yellow color. The urine of a healthy person is a light yellow color, almost transparent. This typical color of urine is due to a pigment called urobilin. Our urine normally transports these urobilins, which are diluted in water and make this almost transparent yellow color, indicating that we are properly hydrated. If the yellow color is dark or intense, it means that we are dehydrated. However, if the urine color is too clear and the person has the urge to urinate frequently, it can be that the body is intoxicated with water or overhydrated, which can happen when the person consumes an excess of water. On the other hand, if the color is clear and there's an urge to urinate frequently but the person has not ingested a lot of liquid, then it could indicate that the person may have diabetes. Cloudy urine. Urine that is cloudy can indicate that it contains phosphate, which could be a byproduct of kidney stones. If the urine continues to be cloudy for many days, it is a clear sign of an urinary tract infection, and it is highly recommended to go to your doctor. In general, cloudy urine is usually accompanied by a strong odor and a frequent desire to go to the bathroom. In the case of men, cloudy or dirty urine may be due to semen that has remained in the urinary tract. Urine with a bluish-green color. In general, this is due to something that you previously ate, especially if said food had a blue or green color. For example, asparagus can cause the urine to have a green or blue hue. On the other hand, a bluish or greenish tint could also indicate that you are in the process of changing vitamins or medicines. If neither of these 2 cases explains the bluish-green color, consult a doctor. Urine with an orange color. The consumption of foods such as cloudberries, orange blackberries, beets, carrots or any other orange food can make the urine have an orange color. Some medicines or dehydration can also cause the urine to have this tone. If the urine is a dark orange color, almost brown, it could indicate that you have bile in the urine. In this case, it is best to consult a doctor. Urine with a brown color. Urine that is brown in color could be the result of having eaten foods such as beans, rhubarb or a certain type of medicine. In the most extreme cases, this urine color can be indicating a problem with the liver or chronic dehydration. Foamy urine. In these cases you almost never see a color change in the urine, but sometimes you do have a very dark tone that can be very alarming. If the urine is too foamy, it may be indicating an excessive proteins in the body. Urine with a strong odor. There is no kind of urine that smells great, but we all know the difference in smell between normal urine and when the odor is too strong. Bad odors in the urine can be a result of the consumption of coffee or asparagus. If this is not your case but the urine has a strong odor, it is best to consult your doctor. Urine with a pink or red color. Some foods that are naturally red in color can cause changes to the color of urine and give it a pink or red tint. The consumption of cranberries, rhubarb or another type of red food can cause the urine to change to this tone. However, this color in the urine can also be due to the consumption of certain medicines, blood in the urine, heavy exercise or an infection. If the urine does not return to its normal color within 24 hours, you should consult your doctor. In the most extreme cases, the color pink or red in the urine can be an indicator of kidney cancer, enlarged prostate or bladder stones.